when you have a happy customer. You gotta do donuts. How we break in the tires.
Good?
Yeah, now right out before the cops come.
Bro, now you have to watch it again. Yeah.
Alright, now
It was worth it though.
Now let's do it on the G-Wagon. You think I'm playing? Now check out this interior real quick. 2020 G63 from the future. We're gonna be doing Anarchy wheels, AN15s. Wait till you see the color of the wheels. Fifth wheel and everything. No cutting corners here. We're gonna create a custom bracket so you can actually see the wheel, the fifth wheel flipped around, because right now you've got the design of it being face forward. So we're gonna custom fabricate it, first one. See what happens. Yeah, once my guy's done dismounting the tires, we'll bring them out for you.
Yeah, I'm gonna see. I don't know if I'll need. I don't know if I will go get an alignment today. We'll see, because we want to go wakeboarding. So. Because
Can I go with you?
You want to go?
I can't, bro.
But
Wish though.
yeah, it's fun. It'll be fun, bro.
Another customer of mine, F12 Berlinetta. Check out the license plate, PB&J. So I wonder what we're gonna do for this. Let's see. Well, first off, springs from Novitec. IPE exhaust, full titanium, all the way from the engine, all the way out. So it's gonna be the F1 sound that everybody loves. You can only get that from IPE. Coming around in about a couple of hours, right here is gonna be a beautiful HRE wheel. Wait till you see it. I don't wanna give away the model yet or the finished combo, but it's gonna look perfect. Also, we're gonna try and sell some carbon for him from Novitec so it could go along with the springs. It's gonna be a little bit hard to tell with the black car, but I think if we have it in the right parts of the car, right accents for it, it's gonna pop beautifully, especially with the wheels. It's a little hint at what color they're gonna be. So don't worry, it's not gonna be black. I know everybody's gonna hate on it. It was black, everybody does black. It's not gonna be black. You're gonna see what it is. So I can't wait for this one. Just stay tuned and we'll see what wheel model we got for it.
They look brand new.
They're brand new, sell it for brand new.
Brand new.
Never used.
Yo, I had a boy that wants to buy them, but that shit's bald.
That's just bald. I mean, yeah.
I didn't know it was that bad.
You know how that happens?
Yeah,
By doing burnouts and donuts. How you're breaking in the new Firestones.
I was working them in, bro. I was breaking them in. I had to get the heat in there, you know?
Yeah.
Well, what should I do with them?
Toss them, bro. Nobody's gonna, unless,
Yeah, I know, but like, where do I don't know where to throw them away.
just keep them here. I'll throw them out.
Throw them out?
Yeah.
Alright, well, I appreciate it.
Let me know. Send me photos, right?
I'm a little bit sweaty.
That's all right. How do I use this thing? This is MSO, machine smarter than operator. I need to figure out how to pull up any windows. Cameraman, do you know how to work this? Where are the icons? Why is it playing music? Where are the icons? Where's the tower to this? Hey Ben, do you know how to get apps on this?
Apps.
Apps?
No, I guess it doesn't work.
No?
You need
Apps?
the remote control.
How is it playing music? How is it playing music?
What do you mean?
If it's off?
That sucks to be on the
Get off my lawn. Look, remote,
There you go.
off.
So now go and hit. What do you want?
I just
This,
turned it
this
on.
isn't a smart TV.
It's a dumb TV?
That's a dumb TV. That's a smart TV.
Oh, okay.
That's playing computer music.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, here we go again. Menu, nope. Madi, how do you get apps on here?
Oh my God. Are you serious? That's not a smart TV. What's wrong with you? Look, you want apps right
No, how do I get the computer to work on this TV?
now you asked the question.
Oh. Here, Brainiac, go.
Marty, go show him.
No,
Go. Turn on the computer for him. Two fingers.
Step one.
You have,
Oh,
remember,
two.
2 fingers. You can't use one.
That's.
There you go.
Oh. I was putting.
Always you gotta use 2 fingers.
I was putting my whole fist on it.
Yeah, correct. That's why you can't fist it. You gotta use 2 fingers.
Oh. Okay, can you bring up the web browser for me?
Oh, okay, so 2 fingers again.
Oh.
And you bring it down.
2 fingers. Okay.
I'll show you how to use your fingers.
Gotcha. Thank you. Thank you, darling. All right, so I wanted to show you guys the new HRE that came out for the Works event in California for Monterey Car Week. Let's see, I don't think they're gonna have it on their website just yet, but we can go to their Instagram feed. This is one of my personal favorites. Old school Porsches, brand new for the vintage series. 527M, which is the monoblock, 527S, which is this one right here, 3-piece. This is gonna sell like hotcakes for 964, 930, maybe a couple of 993 guys. I would actually love it to get it on a new 991 for that retro look. So starting at $1,200 a wheel for 17-inch sizing, goes all the way up to 22, so you can certainly fit it on the new stuff. I can't wait to get my hands on it and see it in person, inspect it a little bit more. So going back to those new 527s, that's from the vintage series, which is my personal favorite. I like old school stuff. So this is the 505. There's also a monoblock version of it. Looks like a Ferrari wheel from the 80s. You got the 501s, 3-piece again for BMW guys. 501M, monoblock version. 454s, which are hardly sold because it takes a brave gentleman, maybe somebody with an old school Lambo or an old school retro built truck to get those. So another happy addition to the vintage series with the new HREs. Can you figure out why we call him Broccoli? Try and figure it out.
Not Slim Shady. Slim Shady, he can't stand up.
We're gonna have a problem here.
What are you gonna do?
Today for Tabby, we did some HREs, Novitec springs. My boss Ben is calling me, so I gotta pick up this phone call to make sure that everything is proper. Hey, what's up, buddy? Okay, I finished. Look, mira. Wait, let me flip the camera. I know that you're a busy guy and stuff. Mira. I just finished doing an F12 for a very good customer of ours. We just did Novitec springs, HRE wheels. The car looks amazing. Now what we're gonna do next for our second phase, we're gonna do downpipes, computer, tune, intake, and we're gonna do a bunch of carbon fiber parts. Please stay tuned for the next build.